On November 12, 2019, the entire marine biology class went on a visit to the Aquarium of the Bay in San Francisco.
We just saw a lot of the native animals that are around San Francisco, and are just around California just in general. And we just got to see just how they live in their habitat, their behaviors and such.
Oh, I got to touch some stingrays and then some sharks, but they always ran away from me.
We saw these fish. They were really big, and they would always make mean looks at us, which was kind of funny. We saw these really cool jellyfish, and we in general just saw some really cool stuff from the sea.
Not only did the students get to learn how marine organisms live and how they behave, they also got to learn many new things.
We learned about their eating habits. We learned about the type of environments they learned in. We saw like the ideal types of environment they lived in and just how they do everyday life.
I learned how many fishes adapt to their surroundings and how they develop new traits to survive that surrounding.
What I learned there was basically just what is around us in the coastal regions, what's in the San Francisco Bay, just everything that is here,
The marine biology students were able to experience new things throughout the field trip.
I saw a lot of new creatures that I haven't seen before, like some jellyfish, which I thought were so pretty, some sharks, and some stingrays.
I really enjoyed going on BART and walking across the entire pier, all the way from Pier 1 all the way to Pier 39, I believe, and especially seeing the San Francisco Aquarium, because I went to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, but it's not really like San Francisco one, because I really got to see all the fish and all the organisms that were near where I live.
It was really fun. There was a lot of cool things I saw. I was able to hang out with my friends. It was a really cool experience. I recommend it to a ton of people.
Not only did the students enjoy visiting the aquarium, they were able to enjoy visiting the pier as well.
The food and then the animals, because the animals were cool, but the food was really good too.
We got to eat food, and we got boudin with Mr. Marinakis, and I don't know, the trip was fun overall, and we got little crowns from the aquarium, and then the people were nice. They told me a lot of stuff that I didn't know.
The marine biology class offers more than learning about ocean life. From James Logan High School in Union City, this is Sebastian Raygoza for Logan TV.